So after releasing the Blackview A95 and the Blackview A55 Pro, apparently Blackview is preparing to release yet another phone, and according to leaks, the phone is called the Blackview A50. It is a budget phone, and in this video I'll be revealing the details of the smartphone to you guys. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So let's head into it. So the Blackview A50, just like many other budget phones and some mid-rangers, has a plastic design. It also has a plastic frame. At the rear, there is a triple camera setup, a flash, a fingerprint scanner, Blackview branding, and speaker grills. To be honest, I wasn't expecting to see a smartphone released with a rear fingerprint scanner in 2022, but I guess I was wrong. The phone has a wall-drop notch display with the notch housing a 5-megapixel camera. The size of the display is 6 inches and it has a really thick chin. The display resolution is HD+ and it's an IPS display, which is expected. On the right side, there's the volume keys and power button. The SIM slot is located at the left side. The phone is very light. It weighs 156 grams and it's relatively thin. It has a thickness of 8.9 millimeters. The Blackview A50 is powered by the Unisoc T310 CPU. It's an entry-level CPU, guys, and according to performance, the CPU scores about 102,000 in the Antutu benchmark test. So this CPU is intended for normal use, such as playing some of the basic games available on Android, streaming online, etc. It is paired with 3GB RAM and 64GB storage. The storage will be expanded up to 1TB using an SD card. As mentioned earlier, the phone has a triple camera setup. The main camera is a 13-megapixel camera, while the other cameras hasn't been revealed yet. It has a 4280 mAh battery and it doesn't support fast charging, guys. It ships with the DocOS 2.0, which is Blackview's custom skin based on Android 11. It also has a 3.5mm headphone jack. With these specs, I expect the Blackview A50 to cost between $100 and $150. There is currently no official release date yet. I think we have to wait for Blackview to officially announce that. But what are your thoughts about the Blackview A50? Make sure to share in the comment section below. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.